is a 2011 Charger. It's got the polyurethane on it. She got some paint on her. I mean, polyurethane. Very strong polyurethane. Polyurethane right there. You couldn't wet sand this stripe here. It won't clay off. So this is the only way to repair this stripe. Whew. It has a lot of product. I'm going to demonstrate here. On this flat part, there'd be no way you could get this off because it won't clay off. You can't wet sand this. So how else would you get it off? Not only am I going to remove it, I'm going to polish this to where it's back to factory specs. That is your polyurethane right there. You're not going to see any videos on the internet where anyone is removing this product because they don't truly remove it. The residue that the blade didn't pick up. And remember, you cannot just clay this off. Wet sanding, no go. Too much of your clear coat is compromised and diminished greatly. This stripe here, there's really no way you could ever repair it any other way. It already has a lot of stress wrinkles in it, so that means you couldn't really, use anything on it. Through the wax and blading it has already brought back some of the finish. Here we go. Now, this is the hood. It's been shaved. It has not been, waxed or buffed or anything. Okay. Remember all through here? All the blading action going through here and everything? Okay. It has not been polished. Now look at this stripe. If you'll notice, this side's slightly darker. And the reason being is I've taken the polyurethane off and clayed through the wax, and it kind of polished it a little bit. All that's looking beautiful. This side right here, looking gorgeous. That is an awesome shot right there, to be honest with you. The sun is coming through the trees like that. It's perfect. The paint, look at that paint. Not a piece of polyurethane left on it. All through here is perfect. All through there, no overspray. Shave this sucker real quick. Even after blading it, stuff is still trying to stick. I'm cleaning through the wax, and I'm using dishwashing liquid as my lubricant. The wax helps cut that overspray off a little bit too. I've cleaned some of the strongest, toughest paint on the planet. Never once used a compound, a solvent, or wet sand. The trunk is done. It's been polished. Every piece of overspray is off of this trunk. I mean, it is beautiful. This vehicle ain't seen these days in a long time. Gonna shave this door real quick. It's perfect. Okay, I've got this quarter panel done. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay, look at that door. I mean, that quarter panel. The finished product. That hood's looking really nice. Side's looking beautiful. Look at that fender. It's perfect. It took a lot of work to get it there, baby, but she looks good. Look at that hood, trunk. Polished the spoiler. Top looks awesome. All the back tail lights have been polished. All of the spoiler back and front, everything has been polished. This vehicle has had every bit of contaminants off of it besides this polyurethane spray foam. It had a lot of scuffs, scratches. This is the part of Texas where it's very sandy. Alright, that's enough of that walking around the car thing.